So we have entered the house and it is beautiful. Do you want to show them? This is the entrance to take off your shoes. The lovely little candles which we will light in the evening. There are lovely artifacts like a telephone. Lovely couches. Beautiful mirrors here. Everywhere. What a lovely setup. You know, just Netflix your way through, you know. Look at this.
See the clock?
Where?
Here.
Oh, Ryoja. Has he provided us some good roast wine? It's just a box. Oh, lovely dining. What do we have for din? Break anything.
Hey, when I'm at a shelf, always helps.
Then there's a double door fridge. With get cold water and some ice. Have you kept any butter or anything? No, no food. Oh, there's a telly here as well.
Small chair and table.
Lots of utensils.
And this is what I like the most.
Oh, the gazebo outside.
Yeah. You have a option to sit inside or outside.
OMG.
How do you open this?
Just from here. OMG.
And you have a small TV here as well.
Yeah. He's very fond of telly.
And a grill, small griller or microwave, OTG basically.
There's a huge oven there, just in case. We should actually have some tea and breakfast here.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, beauty.
We should have brought that game. Now I remember.
So Airbnb has always made us happy, hasn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
Often than not.
Yeah, I rarely think that I'm going to, you know, it's any different from a plush 5-star, honestly.
And then you have the bedroom. It's quite a big one. Another television. Yeah, very good. Okay. Quite a comfortable bed, it seems. Nice lighting.
Oh, look at the duvet. It's just like we have at home.
Yes, very similar.
Very similar.
And then, not civilized, it's similar.
Similar, I said.
Okay. So we have some candles out here. And then this is a small room.
Yeah, so now that we're all settled in, and like I said, we'll go to the supermarket in a bit, and then we'll show you what we've got. For dinner tonight, we haven't decided. We're not doing anything this evening apart from going to the supermarket and getting some stuff. And exploration will take place tomorrow. So once we're at the supermarket and once we've got what we wanted, we'll show you what we're making for dinner, and then we'll see you then. So.
After a brief resting period, we're out now. Plan is to go to Tesco, which is around 11 miles from our place.
We couldn't find a Sainsbury's close by.
Yeah, Sainsbury's is very far. So Tesco's. So we're going to the Tesco's and I will collect some
sunny.
material. And yes, it is really, really bright and sunny so far. And Pia is driving now.
It's quite bright. I mean, it feels like it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
It is actually 6 now. 6:20. So
yeah.
Reached Tesco.
Once we have what we need for the evening, and once we reach home, we'll show you what we've taken and what our meal plans are for the 3 days. now we got back from Tesco's, and we've got all our stuff now. I said, self-driving is also very beneficial when it comes to cooking your own meals, because Britain, of course, is not very famous for its food, and no matter how much you have those multi-cuisine type restaurants, no matter how much you pay there, they're all rubbish, to be honest. Of course, exceptions are there, and of course we tend to eat out, but yeah, I mean, in Scotland, that's one thing, if you cook, it's better to cook at home. There's not many options going outside apart from big cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow. So yeah, so we'll be cooking our own meals, and it's also very financially very viable, because you get your stuff from supermarket, and you spend about £50 to £60 for 3 days, and you're done. Whereas you go to a restaurant, you spend £50 for one meal. So, and there aren't many options, like I said. So, and now, so we've done preparation of few things for tonight. We've got chicken curry, some potato fries, which we also call as aloo bhaja, and Riju is cooking chicken curry. He loves chicken, and it looks very yummy. Oh, I love that oil over there. I think we need to fry it a little bit more, isn't it? It looks lovely. So, আর কি খাচ্ছি আমরা আলু ভাজার সাথে? আলু ভাজা, chicken curry আর rice, is it? হ্যাঁ, ভাত খাচ্ছি। We're going to have dinner now, like I said. Can't wait to dive in again, like I said. And with this ends today's episode. And I will see you guys tomorrow again in the morning. And the next episode, in the next episode. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, so that I can be motivated and come back with more videos as such. And please leave your comments below. Thank you. Good night. Bye.